Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, guys, let's try to create animation with this logo, Asosiasi Chief Engineer Indonesia. Okay, but now I will try to change this background to layer first. Yeah, if the layer name of this image is background, we cannot edit it on this image. Okay, let's try to check it, the size. Okay, 1040 1440 pixel, so on. Okay, let's try. I will try to change maybe 1000 pixel. Okay, oh sorry, change the size. Yeah, not image, change the size. Okay, to 600. Yeah, 600. Okay, control min for zoom out. Now I want to clear this space. Okay, correct. But now I want to save first. Okay, Aceh Indonesia logo PSD. Wait, okay. Now I want to create new layer. In this layer I want to create shape, maybe shape, and this shape I want to give okay, maybe yellow. Yeah, color of yellow. Okay, text paint bouquet tool, and then take here, Control D. Okay, I want to change the opacity to maybe 50%, like this. Yeah. Okay, now I want to modify, transform, and then skew, maybe skew this. Yeah. Okay, a bit. Okay, and move this. Yeah. Okay, nah, yeah, one layer for this shape. Yeah, shape, yellow shape with opacity 50%. But now I want to duplicate. Okay, I want to check here. Okay, duplicate again here. Okay, duplicate again. Okay, wait a minute, I want to check it. Move like this. Okay, choose this, move a bit. Okay, great. Duplicate again. Okay, a bit. Okay, quit I think, yeah. Okay, it's finished. We take this logo, maybe silhouette of shape, but now I want to choose layer 0 and take magic wand tool and choose this area. Okay, you see the area, but now I want to delete this on this layer. Delete. Okay, choose this. Delete. Okay, delete. Okay, okay. Here I want to play visible, invisible, invisible layer. Yeah, then we can create animation. Okay, let's try. Now I want to activate Windows animation. Now I want to hide this layer first. Okay, hide this layer first. I want to set this delay time of frames. Okay, maybe 0.2. Now I want to duplicate selected frame and choose this layer. Create duplicate selected frame again. Unhide this layer. Okay, duplicate. Okay, hide this, unhide this, duplicate, hide and unhide this, duplicate, hide and hide this. The last, hide this layer. Okay, if we want to play, look like this. Okay, we can duplicate this frame. So this duplicate frame. So this hide, duplicate frame. So this hide, duplicate frame. So this hide, duplicate frame. Okay, yeah. Okay, on last frame I want to set maybe one or maybe 0.5. Yeah, okay, let's try. Yeah, this illustration moving from left to right and then right to left. Okay, after that we can save for web. Yeah, save for web, and we choose GIF format gitu ya. Save ya. Oke, I'll change desktop. Aceh Indonesia logo, GIF on image only GIF ya. Oke, save. Okay, finish. And now I want to show all of you how to layout that logo. Yeah, I want to open maybe Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, I want to share the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, but now insert, yeah, insert your image. Yeah, insert your image with animation. Okay, set. Nah, maybe if we want to create this, yeah. Okay, let's try. I want to show all of you. Okay, great. Yeah. If we want to use maybe background, yeah, format background. Okay, but maybe fill. I want to change maybe blue, yeah. Play terus. Okay, we still see the animation. Let's try. Okay, great. Let's exercise how to create animation with Photoshop. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you.
See you soon, Sobat Tris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.